Ever wished you had a magic wand to make your PowerPoint slides pop? Then it's your lucky day. Welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, we are going to see how can we turn the boring presentations to stunning experiences using AI. Stick with me and let the presentation magic happen. So this Gamma app is the website that we are going to use to create our AI presentations. For this, we need to follow four simple steps. The first step is to create an account in this Gamma app. Let's click on try for free, and here let's create our account. Here we have three different ways how can we create presentations using AI. Firstly, we can paste in the content that is from our notes or an outline or some existing content that we have. And the second one is that we can generate the content from with a prompt, something like a chat gpt, and then we can import a file or some url with for the existing documents or presentations or web pages. So for this tutorial, let's go with the paste in text option. Let's give the outline that I have, that is have to prepare a pancake. So here are some ingredients and the process that we need to follow. So once you are done with giving your outline, let's make sure that you are choosing the presentation option selected, and click on continue. So it is configuring our prompt. After this, we can see multiple options over here. So this is where we are going to create the presentation step, that is the second step. So here we can, after choosing this generate, I'll stick to medium size of it, and here we have to which audience we are doing this presentation for, and by default it is home cooks for all skill levels. So I'll stick to it, and we can even choose our tone. I will be sticking to the default tone that is mentioned here, that is friendly, instructional, and casual. And we have multiple languages over here. We can select to get our output in. Let's go with the English US, and we can now choose the images. Like, do we need the images in the presentation to be from AI, generated from AI or from web? Or we can, or it can automatically select best image type for each image. Let me just stick to web. We can even create great images with AI. So I'll be sticking to the web, and once we are done, here we can see that we have uh, 400 credits which we get when we log in for free, and we can create for up to 9 cards, and when you increase it to 10, and after 10 you have to upgrade it to pro version. So let me just stick to 8 cards, and here the cards indicate that it is 8 slides. It will cost you 40 credits to create this presentation. So let's click on continue, and here we can see some preview. Here we can choose our theme. So we have different themes that are available, something like this. So whichever suits your requirements, or you find it something that you are looking for, or something that is relevant to your content, you can just choose it. Let's say that I want to choose this maybe, and then we can just click on generate. Now we are in our third step, that is to edit our presentation. So let it generate completely. Here you go with the presentation that is generated, and you can see that how it is well organized and having all the relevant images and icons. So here we can see all the relevant images, icons, and all. So let's now edit our presentation, because whatever is generated by AI, we might need something else or some minor changes to be made. You can make changes to the text that is here. So you can just you can edit this with whatever text you want, and you can even click on the images. You can delete the images. You can click on the edit, and you can choose other images that are available. If you feel that your content is more detailed and you don't want it to be that detailed, you want it to be short, so you can just go here and click on this icon edit with AI, and here you can perform multiple actions like improving the writing or translating it to some other language. fixing the grammar or making it longer. If you want it to be more detailed, you can make it longer. Let's say that I want to make it shorter. I just find it much detailed. Make it shorter, so it will cost us 5 credits, and you can see that this is much shorter now. Whatever this particular slide. So similar way you can do it for all the slides that you have. You can just click on edit with AI, and you can perform all the actions that it has. So once we are all done with our changes, we can check it how it's looking like. So let's click on present and see how our PowerPoint presentation is looking like. So here we go with it. And if you feel that everything is done and you're done with your editing, you're done with making all the changes that you want, you can export this presentation. Click on the share. So this will be our last step of exporting. Click on the export, and you can export it as a PowerPoint or PDF or PNG. So we want it to be PowerPoint. Click on download. So it will be automatically now downloaded to your PC. So this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.